Good morning. I'm Ann Swerk, and I'm going to share with you about teaching textbooks today. The other day I shared with you about Math-U-See. That was a program that we had that I used that I liked a lot. And then some years we switched to to teaching textbooks. And for some of my students I used teaching textbooks. I kind of went back and forth a little bit. Math-U-See was really good, and my kids liked it. Some of them did much better with it than others. Some of them liked this teaching textbooks better. I loved the teaching textbooks. And the reason is that they give you this disc when you buy the program, the solutions CD and the test solutions. Every single problem that they give your student in the book has a solution on it, not just the answer. This is a little video that walks you through getting the right answer. So sometimes just having the right answer in the teacher's book isn't enough because you don't know what they're doing wrong. If you can't remember how to do it, or it's something that you're really stuck with, maybe you make the same mistakes that your student makes. And so I love this program for that reason, because when we got stuck with something or when they were having trouble, we could go to the solutions manual, to the solutions CD, watch it on the computer. They're pretty short. I mean, they're not 10 minutes long. They're real short, but it helped them come to the right answer, and then it was that example that they need to keep doing it, to go on and do the rest. So I really like this program for that reason. Okay, so you get these, obviously. You get lecture and practice CDs with it. This is, you watch this on the computer, the student watches this on the computer, and then they do the problems. With the elementary, which doesn't start until 3rd grade, you can get this type of program, and they can do it on paper after they've watched the lecture, which they're not very long. They're probably, I'm guessing 5 to 10 minutes each, not any more than that. Some of them are probably less than that. And it looks just like this. It's a yellow tablet type of background, and it's animated where they're writing on it, and then there's a teacher that's talking. You can't see the teacher. All you're seeing is this animated screen like this. But the elementary ones, you can get them where they watch the lecture and they actually do all their work right on the computer. It grades it, and it has a grade book. It keeps track of it for you. You can go in there and look at it at any time, at what they missed and how many they got right and all of that kind of stuff. So for the elementary ones, you can do it all on the computer if you like. So you get this. This is the lectures. You also get the answer book and the test bank. That's strictly just the answers. That's all it is. But if they're not having trouble, or and for the elementary kids, if you're not doing it on the disc, then that's enough. You know, most of the time that's not a problem. You also get this textbook with it. Now this has, get to the beginning of a lesson here. So this is what is on the CD. It has that all in the book too. So if you want to go back and reread through it or skim through it and not rewatch the lecture, there is that opportunity. Or if you have somebody that does really well with reading and getting stuff out of it and doesn't like to watch the lecture, they would prefer to read it, that is an option. And then after that, they have the problem sets. So this program, like I said, starts at 3rd grade, goes all the way through high school. It's great for somebody that might struggle with math as a teacher because all the solutions are right there. And I'm not positive, but I do think they have a placement test on their website. So good luck with your math journey this year.